This is Curry Oxtail Masala. And you see this. It's the GeL cooking and discovery TV. Yes, our chef Winston GeL cooking and discovery TV. Alright, Curry Oxtail Masala is ready. And it's sizzling. Yes, it's sizzling. Sizzling hot. Turn the fire down low. Woo. Yes. And over here, I'll show you my Jamaican style rice and peas. Jamaican style rice and peas. Ooh, look at that. See how shelly it is? See how shelly it is? Look at that. See how shelly it is? Only on Winston GeL cooking and discovery. Can you find that? Can you find this kind of cooking? Superior. Yes, superior cooking from the chef, the master chef himself. The one and only. Yes, the one and only Winston GeL cooking and discovery TV on the platform. That is my Jamaican rice and peas. Yes, my Jamaican rice and peas, man. With my Curry Oxtail Masala. Oh, my. Yes. Yes. Delicious. I'm gonna share a plate for Sister Angeli and YT Study. Alright. A plate for all the vegetarians in India. All the vegetarians in India will get a plate of my Curry Oxtail Masala. This is my Jamaican recipes. Yes, sharing out my Jamaican recipes. Yes, sharing out my Jamaican You're watching Winston GeL. Curry chicken masala shorts. New shorts on YouTube.